Do you want to simplify answer sheet checking process with the help of technology? Do you want to know how on-screen evaluation process can save your time? Here is our solution. On-screen evaluation system is the technology to improve current examination answer sheet checking process. Physical answer sheet handling and evaluation involves many administrative and logistical activities. Cost for managing storage and handling of physical answer sheet is very high. The entire result processing may get delayed due to it. Examiners and other personnel need to travel for answer sheet checking and moderation process. On-screen evaluation system can simplify overall answer sheet checking process. Let us check how it works. First, physical copies of the answer sheets are collected for scanning purpose. All the answer sheets are scanned using high-speed scanners at a secure location. High-speed scanners scan the answer sheets with proper masking process. Student identity information like name, roll number is masked. The examiner would not be able to see these details. It would enable transparent and fair evaluation process. It is possible to scan barcode of answer sheet and map it with specific student records. Question paper and examination pattern is defined in the software system. Examination information has attributes like badge, exam name, semester and stream. The examination pattern is defined according to the question paper format. Information of students is imported in the system for each stream, semester and specialization. Now, I would show you how to evaluate answer sheet using on-screen evaluation process. The examiner can log in to the system. After login, the examiner can see summary of answer sheets assigned to individual, completed evaluation count and pending evaluation count. It would help to track overall progress of the answer sheet checking. Student identity is masked and the evaluator is not able to identify name, roll number or any such information related to the answer sheet. The examiner can click on the Check Answer Sheet button to start evaluation process. On clicking this button, this screen would be visible. As you can see, there are various controls available on the page for adding annotations. You can also view question paper details. There is a link, View Question. On clicking this link, you can see question contents. It can be helpful for you to see question contents before evaluating any answer. Correct sign. You can use this sign to mark particular answer as correct. It would add below symbol on the answer sheet. Incorrect sign. You can use this sign to mark particular answer as incorrect. It would add below symbol on the answer sheet. Assign marks for answer. Before assigning the marks, you must select question corresponding to answer written on the page. Here, I'm selecting this question and then I'm starting evaluation process. There are icons available for each number of marks. You can use it to define marks for particular answer. On a single page, you can add partial marks and on next pages, subsequent partial marks can be added. The system would auto-calculate total marks assigned for the answer. There are symbols available for each marking scheme. You can select and add annotation. If you try to add marks more than actual allotted to question, system would show an error. Here, I'm trying to assign more marks than the actual allotted marks in the exam pattern, so system is showing me an error message. Undo operation. If you wish to undo a particular activity, then you can click on the icon to cancel previously performed task. Here, as I click on undo, my previous activities performed are getting cancelled. Delete operation. If you wish to cancel annotations and marks added for a particular question, then you can select that question and click on delete to remove the marks assigned along with the annotations for that answer. Add comments. There is an icon button available to add comments on any answer sheet page. You can click on it. Here, I'm adding note or comments on this answer sheet. Summary of marks. On the right-hand top corner, you can see marks allotted for each question. The system would automatically display the scores for each answer against question number as shown. Total of the answer sheet is also calculated according to the exam pattern. As an examiner, you need not have to calculate or validate total. The system analyzes optional questions solved by the students and it is taken into consideration while calculating the final score. There is a button, Finish Paper Checking as shown. It would be enabled only if the examiner has navigated all the pages of the answer sheet. Here you can see the system is showing page numbers which are navigated and those which are not navigated. In case of blank page, you can add such marking as shown on the screen. It is similar to the traditional answer sheet evaluation where you need to add marking for blank pages. If you have navigated all the pages, then Finish Paper Checking button would be enabled and the system would allow you to complete answer sheet evaluation process. Let us summarize all the features of the answer sheet evaluation. There are various annotation symbols available to speed up your answer sheet evaluation process. You can use it with just mouse clicks. There is a facility undo or cancel marks assigned for particular question. The system is able to calculate score automatically. It helps to eliminate possible errors of manual tabulation or scores for each question. Your answer checking process is simplified and it would take less time to complete the activity. The administrator can use analytics and summary to track progress of the evaluation. There is a facility to extract result in Excel format. The system also records all the activities performed by the examiner during answer sheet checking. It is useful during audit process. You can also track analytics such as total answer sheets evaluated, total answer sheets pending, average number of answer sheets evaluated per day, etc. On-screen evaluation process is useful to simplify answer sheet checking process and it is also cost-effective. It can save administration and logistical cost. There would be significant saving per year on stationery, dearness allowance for evaluators, travel, etc. We have implemented on-screen evaluation process at many reputed institutes and universities. You can connect with us for demo of our offering. We are just a click away.